you have not received yet, so very soon you will get this video wherever I have given you permit. So every day at least 5 to 10 minutes if you can provide, if you can watch a video, I hope it will be beneficial for you. I'm not talking about only for you, for everyone, right? But at least required here at least 5 minutes, right? Here I have shown that how to you can learn and turn yourself, right? I have given you format also, small format, that how you can teach to the people. Like first you can say hello or my name. You can say questions will be how old are you. Then here questions you can also teach them, and format also you can teach them for their format. Next year you can decide yourself that from where you will teach. It is very easy to teach. Alright, this format is only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So these 7 lines, when the people will understand and they will be confirm that my name is I am from where I live in. So it is depends on if city living in will be, otherwise I live at. I go to, I like, I don't like. Alright, this is first slide. Just I move to the next slide. Next slide also we have the same. Hi, my name is I am, my birthday is on, I am from, I live in, there are, my father is in, my mother is in, I am a student at, my favorite subject is, my favorite sports is, I want to become a, my hobby is, my favorite food is, and my favorite drink is. So 15 here. Before that 5 lines, after the 50 line. I hope it will be suitable for you and it will be helpful for you if you can practice. Alright, if you can practice. Next we have some sentences for you for beginners. Might be somebody have a problem like ko to k, kh to kha, ga z, kha, zh, and nge, that is alright. This also you can teach. If you have an issue, you can also this you can take once. Here you have this also, like this is the first word a, that is double I, e, that is I, dirghai, that is double I, okay, and double e also you can say, u, w, o, oi, o, au, am, and ah. Alright, this way we can teach to the peoples one by one. Okay, now common things like common words we can use here, like in the sense inside, on, upside, off. These prepositions we can use in these words. At, in these words we can use years, I live at. Off, it means far distance. To, that means near and not far. By, this meaning dwara, and we can use up, with, since, before, after, below. Alright, this will help you out. Pardon we can use I beg a pardon, I beg my pardon, that is this. No mentions, that is no matter. With great pleasures, we can use this sentence every time. With great pleasure, when we start anything to say something, so if anyone meet with you, you can say with great pleasure. It's my great pleasure, it's my pleasure. No thanks, if you don't want to, that is if anyone say thank you very much, welcome, you can say no thanks. After you, that means glad to meet you, after you, we are saying this is when you are in the queue. Next slides we have some sentence you have, I hope you can check it out. The somehow the people's speaking these things. So if you you can what the hell, otherwise we can say here, what the mischiefs, alright, or how dare you can use the sentence, no issue. That is don't make me angry. This also somehow, but not every time. Be in your limits. We can use every time this sentence, be in limits. Okay. I will smash your face. I will smash your face. We will not use these things for your knowing answer. Stop nonsense. This we can speak. What's wrong have I done? This the people can speak. Bloody fools. We will not use this sentence. Okay. These words are very common, and please read many times, and you can use it. That is recently, never mind, evermore, next time, this once, in fact, calm down, once more, that's enough. Exactly, let it be, keep it be, well type, and go add-ons. Okay, you can write, and this people will learn very easily. So this was this commons here, the normals information. I do believe that you will get the benefits. All right, so you can watch many times, and you can get this information, and you can get the help. Okay, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed till now, you can subscribe, share, and comments, so that I will let you know that you are interested. How much you will comments and like and share, I will understand that you are very interested, and how much show your at least 1% interest, then I can give you lots of the things which will be helpful for you as per your demand. Okay, thank you very much.